Good morning, sunshine. Are you ready to transform your mornings from mundane to magical? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to sprinkle a little bit of motivation into your morning cup of coffee. Today, we're embarking on a journey through 5 transformative tips to kickstart your mornings with a burst of motivation. It's not just about waking up, it's about rising and truly shining. Setting the tone for a day full of achievements and positive vibes. Because let's face it, how you start your morning can set the pace for your entire day, impacting both your personal and professional life in ways you might not even realize. Have you ever noticed how a rushed morning can throw off your entire day? Or how waking up on the right side of the bed seems to make everything go smoother? It's no coincidence. It all starts with intentional morning habits. And today, I'm sharing 5 transformative tips that are game changers. From planning your day the night before to nourishing your body and mind with what they need to thrive, these tips are your golden ticket to a day filled with energy, focus, and success. Whether you're an early bird catching the worm or someone who hits the snooze button more times than you'd like to admit, these tips are designed to be adaptable, impactful, and simple enough to integrate into your daily routine. So, let's kickstart your journey towards more productive, fulfilling days with our first tip: embrace the power of planning. Our first tip is all about the power of planning. Ever heard the saying, fail to prepare, prepare to fail? Well, it couldn't be more true when it comes to kickstarting your day. Planning the night before is like setting the stage for a masterpiece of a day. Let's break it down. Start with something as simple as laying out your outfit for the next day. It sounds small, but it eliminates that morning scramble. Then, think about breakfast. Prepping your meal ahead can turn a hurried cup of coffee into a calm moment of nourishment. And don't forget a to-do list. Knowing your priorities straight off can clear your mind and boost your efficiency from the moment you wake up. I'll let you in on a little secret. When I began incorporating these planning steps into my evening routine, not only did my mornings become smoother, but my entire day followed suit. And it's not just me. Consider Elon Musk a titan of industry and innovation. His meticulous scheduling includes planning in 5-minute blocks. While we don't all need to break our day down to the minute, it illustrates the transformative power of planning. Moving on to tip number 2, morning mindfulness and meditation. In the whirlwind of daily life, granting ourselves a moment of peace and presence can work wonders. Starting your day with mindfulness or a short meditation can anchor you, increasing focus and motivation. Let's try a quick exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Focus on your breath. This simple practice can help center your thoughts and set a positive tone. For those looking to explore further, numerous apps and resources are available to guide you through more structured meditation practices. The key here is consistency. Even just a few minutes each morning can elevate your entire day. Tip number 3 is getting your body moving with an energizing exercise routine. Physical activity isn't just for the body, it's a booster for the brain as well. And don't worry, we're not talking about marathon training sessions. Even 10 to 15 minutes of simple exercises can invigorate your day. From a brisk walk to a quick set of squats and push-ups, choose what excites you. The goal? To wake up your body and sharpen your mind. The benefits? Beyond immediate energy and mental clarity, morning exercise can improve long-term health and well-being. It's a commitment to yourself, starting first thing in the morning. Next up, tip number 4. Nourish your body with a healthy breakfast. It's the fuel your brain and body crave to kickstart the day. Think beyond the cereal box. Quick, healthy options like overnight oats, smoothies, or avocado toast can provide the nutrients you need to power through your morning. And it's not just about the food. It's the act of giving yourself the time to eat well that sets a caring tone for the day. One of my go-tos? A protein-packed smoothie. It's quick, it's easy, and it keeps me going. And I'm in good company. Many successful entrepreneurs swear by their morning nutrition ritual as a cornerstone of their daily success. Rounding out our list, tip number 5, inspirational input. feeding your mind positive, uplifting content. First thing can dramatically shift your mindset and motivation. Whether it's a motivational podcast, an energizing music playlist, or a few pages from an inspiring book, start your day with something that uplifts you. This habit can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, propelling you forward with a renewed sense of purpose. Personally, listening to a motivational talk each morning has reshaped my outlook and approach to challenges. And I'm not alone. Icons like Oprah Winfrey begin their day with meditation and reflection, drawing on inspirational content to fuel their journey. There you have it, 5 tips to transform your mornings and by extension your entire day. It's about more than just getting up. It's about rising with intention, focus, and joy. And that wraps it up, folks. A sunrise of strategies to elevate your mornings. To recap, we've explored 5 pivotal tips. 1. Embrace the power of planning, ensuring your day is set up for success from the night before. 2. Morning mindfulness and meditation to center your spirit and sharpen your focus. 3. An energizing exercise routine waking up your body and mind. 4. Nourishing your body with a healthy breakfast, the fuel for your day's journey. And 5. Inspirational input, setting a positive tone from the start. I encourage you to play around with these tips, mix and match, and see what combination turns your mornings from zero to hero. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all recipe here. It's all about what resonates with you, fits into your lifestyle, and helps you march towards your goals. Every sunrise brings a new page in your story, an opportunity to grow, to succeed, and to shine even brighter than the day before. So, let's greet each morning not just as another day, but as another chance to make our dreams a reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Embrace the morning, embrace the day, and let's make every moment count together.